Hey traders, today I'm jumping into the OTC market on Pocket Option. OTC can be tricky, but with the right strategy and discipline, it's actually one of the best places to grow a small account. I've only got $10 left in my real Pocket Option account. Yeah, this is not a demo, it's real money. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how I trade OTC with one of my best methods that I always use on my real account. No theory, no demo. Pure live trading. Alright guys, let me be clear with you. I'm not just trading manually here. For OTC, I actually use a custom-designed bot that I built specifically for this market. Why? Because OTC has a very unique pattern. It's consistent, but it can also trap you if you're not careful. This bot helps me scan the market faster, filter out bad signals, and only pick the setups that match my strategy. And yes, I'm running it on my real account, not demo. That way, you can see how powerful this method really is in live trading conditions. So here's how I trade with this bot, guys. I'm using a 1-minute expiry time, and the signals are also set to 1-minute duration. That means every trade is fast, clean, and straight to the point. Perfect for the over-the-counter market. And the best part? You don't have to guess the entries yourself. The bot does all the heavy lifting for you. If you want to try this bot for yourself, just check the description of this video. I've left the link information there so you can get started right away. And make sure you watch this video until the very end, because I'm going to show you the live results, step by step. You'll see exactly how this bot performs in real trading. No cuts, no edits. Trust me, you don't want to miss the final outcome. Look at the chart right now, guys. The price is moving exactly upward, just as the bot predicted. This is the beauty of using this tool. Every signal comes in real time. No delays, no second guessing. You can see it yourself. The bot is giving me 100% live signals. And there we go. Our very first trade just closed in profit. Perfectly. That's exactly what I wanted to show you. The bot gave a signal. I followed it, and the result speaks for itself. Now, this is only the beginning, guys, so make sure you stick with me until the end of this video, because I'll keep trading live, and you'll see how consistent this method really is.